Find 6 set of solutions that satisfy the given equation. This type of exponential equation with 3 variables can be solved by trial improvement method. Let x equals 5, y equals 4 and z equals 3. Substitute these values into the given equation. The sum of 3 to the power of 5 and 3 to the power of 4 plus cube of 3 equals 351. This result shows that our 351 is not equals to the given 837, as shown on the original exponential equation. Let us try again by using different values. Let x equals 3, y equals 4 and z equals 6. Substitute these values into the given equation. Hence, the sum of cube of 3 and 3 to the power of 4 plus 3 to the power of 5 equals 837. This time, our result, 837 equals 837, which is the given value of the right-hand side of the exponential equation. It follows that one set of the solutions, x, y, z equals 3, 4, 6, respectively. Since the other of arranging the values of x, y, and z is not important, we interchange the positions of these variables. The 6 set of solutions that satisfy the given equation for x, y, and z includes 3, 4, 6 and 3, 6, 4 and 6, 3, 4 and 4, 3, 6 and 4, 6, 3 and 6, 4, 3. As shown on the screen.